G'day guys! In today's video I'm having a look at my Gen 2 CRV and regarding kid seats. So right now I'm about 185 centimeters and my seat has plenty of room over here. I've got a 2-year-old kid in the forward facing seat, fits just fine. There's another CRV over there. And fits fine. When that was in rear facing mode it was a bit challenging. It will be a bit challenging to fit 3 kids along here. At the moment, 2-year-olds in forward facing. This one over here has got my 5-year-old, soon to be 6-year-old, and that's just merely mounted at the back there. Sits on it. It's mounted up at the roof over here and has a lap belt that goes across. My 8-year-old daughter goes in the middle. She's very tall and fits in there just fine. Is a bit close to here, but also it was rather challenging when this here was in forward facing mode and I had 2 of these in here. This was getting, I think I left it over at the side here just because then it could be slightly swiveled towards the door. There's no ISO fix on these ones, so it's purely the belts that are holding it in position. We've got 3 mounting points up the top, 1, 2 and 3, and then the rear belt is there. So it is a bit of a struggle to fit 3 car seats along the back here. I was very glad when we finally changed or removed one of them, when my daughter was then able to sit in the middle. And from there, it's been a lot more room in the back here. This side over here, probably the biggest thing is the headrest sections hitting each other. So not necessarily the base hitting each other down here. It was more the headrest on these 2 hitting each other, where that would cause that to tilt out. So it's definitely a struggle. If you had 2 kids, let's say a 1 and a 2-year-old, with a rear facing each on either side, you'd be fine. The middle passenger, if you have a 3rd passenger, would be struggling. I don't think you'd be able to really fit 2 of these and 1 of those in the middle. That would be absolutely virtually no space at all, and things would be pointing outwards. Middle person would be getting squished. So a single forward facing or rear facing seat, a booster seat, potentially 2 booster seats, and I'd say that's about the maximum you'd fit in here. If I just pop out and have a look around the side, just give you an idea. Not much room. Little man here can put his feet up here and kick the back of the seat. Bit of room there. Not hitting the seat in front, that's fine. And down here, reasonable amount of bum space. Plenty of foot space because there's no tunnel or hump going down there. And as we see, 1 mount up here, 2 mount there, 3 mount over here. Hope that helps you, and see you later. Bye.